Edible packaging has generated considerable interest in recent years due to its potential to reduce and replace conventional, non-biodegradable plastics. These packagings are food-grade, maintains product shelf life stability and safety, and also reduces waste streams. Edible food packaging is basically food wrapped in food. It takes away the plastic and paper waste that's created from packaging foods and instead wraps it in something edible. The idea is that once you're done eating the food inside the package, you finish off the package too. A neat idea, for sure, but there are challenges involved in making this a realistic option. Additionally, it possesses enormous commercial and environmental potential as it helps reduce the negative impacts of the food industry on our environment. The edible cup, made from agar or seaweed extract. Available in different flavors like yogurt, cherry, and grapefruit. Spoons are made from rice, wheat, and sorghum. These spoons are vegan-friendly and biodegradable. Ring leader, made from wheat and barley. A circular process develops these by reutilizing natural byproducts of beer products to create the ring leader. Bottles, Uho containers made from biodegradable seaweed and calcium chloride, and the package look like silicone implants. Anyone can burst to open it and consume it. The global edible packaging market was worth United States $7,837.2 million in 2018, and it is projected to reach United States $10,984.1 million in 2024. It is anticipated to grow at a CAGR of 5.79% between 2018 and 2024. Edible packaging is eco-friendly packaging technique which helps to preserve the environment as the products are renewable as well as consumable and safe for human consumption. It reduces plastic packaging waste that is fueling the edible packaging market growth. Increasing environmentally conscious consumers are driving the market. They also provide health benefits by incorporating minerals, vitamins, and bioflavonoid, which also operates the market. Moreover, increasing the need for sustainability in food packaging and the sustainability offered by the edible packaging market drives the growth of the edible packaging market. However, the higher cost of consumable packaging materials in comparison with the synthetic materials, breaking down at cold places, and high regulatory requirements are expected to hamper the edible packaging market growth. Going further, the provision of economic incentives is providing growth opportunities for the growth of the edible packaging market in the coming years. Among the geographies, North America region holds a significant market share in the edible packaging market. Increasing demand packaged food in this region, driving the growth of the market. The US accounted for the largest market share in North America. The rise in preference of hygienic packaging and the growth of the pharmaceutical industry in this region is also fueling the growth of the market. Asia-Pacific region is expected to be the fastest-growing region for the market. Rapid growth in the packaging industry in the Asia-Pacific region is the primary factor driving the growth of the market. Want to know more about this market? Visit our website